The Spirit 2 gas grill was uniquely designed with its fun new colors and innovative iGrill 3 compatibility. The Spirit 2 gas grill comes equipped with the Weber GS4 grilling system. The GS4 grilling system is composed of 4 key components: infinity ignition, burners, flavorizer bars, and grease management system. These 4 components work together to ensure that every aspect of the grilling experience is easy and reliable. The Spirit 2 gas grill is offered in 2 and 3 burner models. The Spirit 2 is compatible with the iGrill 3, an app-connected thermometer that tracks the internal temperature of your food. Simply download the free Weber iGrill app and connect your device to the iGrill. Once your food reaches the desired temperature, an alert will sound on your mobile device telling you that it's time to remove your food from the grill. Porcelain-enameled cast iron cooking grates retain heat for better sear marks and are easy to clean with a stainless steel grill brush. The sleek open cart design provides additional room and accessibility for grilling tools and accessories. By mounting the gas tank to the outside of the grill, the tank is easier to take on and off and allows you to check the fuel gauge to see how much fuel is left. All Spirit 2 gas grills feature a left side table that conveniently folds down for smaller spaces. Best of all, the Spirit 2 comes with a 10-year, 100% Weber guarantee warranty. With this warranty, every single component of the grill is protected for 10 years. It's the warranty that won't let you down. Whether this is your first, second, or third grill, you're a dedicated barbecue enthusiast, or just starting out, the Spirit 2 gas grill is guaranteed to provide you with years of grilling success and great memories.